5 families all gone to Zelena Minestra event in Chalipi's.
It's almost too easy.
Check it out. All the houses with nobody home have automatic timers on their lights, but I got it all figured out. Watch this. So we have first Makish family house. We'll be going on right about now.
Now.
Oh. Wait. We have Glavich family house. Yeah, all right.
Right now. Wait a minute.
And finally, Draskovich family house.
Now.
And that's the one, Marvin. That's the one with red ferrule. It's very big.
It's very cheap.
Huh? It's loaded. It's got lots of top flight goods. 3D printer, speakers.
Toys?
Probably looking at some agricultural tool, possible music instruments. Nah, not to mention red ferrule. Who knows? It's a gem. Grab your ferrule. Ferrule's up.